Hey all, and welcome to Lead 306. I'm going to have a different welcome video in the voice threads where I'll introduce myself at some length and explain a lot about the class, and you'll have an opportunity to respond to that with your own message. But really quickly, I wanted to show you how to find some important information on the course. So under course materials, you'll want to click on that course materials, and then you will go to content and then to getting started, which is actually opened already here, but here it is. You will find the syllabus for the course here, some helpful links for you. There won't be this welcome video. That's okay. You'll have a welcome video elsewhere. Information about me, rubrics for all the assignments, so how you'll be graded on each of the major assignments, discussion forum instructions, what I'm looking for in those discussions, and then a syllabus quiz. And I'll say more about the syllabus quiz elsewhere, but just really quickly, you'll need to score 85% on the syllabus quiz, and the whole point is so that you read the syllabus closely. You'll be able to take that quiz as often as you need to. It's just to get familiar with it so you know what you're going to be facing in the course. Again, I'll introduce myself at length on the other video, but I wanted to put this up here so that you had an idea of where to find what you need. So there you go. If you have questions, you don't hesitate to email me or call me.